Is there more to the unseen world? You won't believe what we uncovered. Do you believe in the unseen? From ancient myths to modern science, the mystery of jinns has puzzled humanity for centuries. Today, we're not just telling stories, we're investigating them. Stay tuned as we dive deep into the world of jinns, explore recent encounters, and discuss a potential scientific method to detect them. According to Islamic tradition, jinns are supernatural beings created by Allah from smokeless fire. Unlike humans who are made from clay and angels who are made from light, jinns are beings of pure energy. They possess free will, just like us, and live in a parallel world that usually invisible to human eyes. But what could this smokeless fire mean in scientific terms? One intriguing possibility is non-thermal plasma. Non-thermal plasma is a state of matter where ionized gas emits light and energy without producing significant heat or smoke. It's used in medical sterilization and air purification because it can exist at lower temperatures, unlike traditional fire. While this might seem analogous to the smokeless fire described in Islamic texts, it's important to note that non-thermal plasma is a scientific phenomenon, and the smokeless fire of jinns might represent a form of energy beyond our current understanding. 3 recent stories of jinn encounters. In 2020, a family in Al-Qasim, Saudi Arabia, reported terrifying disturbances in their home. They heard noises, saw objects move, and experienced sudden fires. Believing their home was haunted by jinns, they sought help from a local imam. What do you think? Could this be the work of jinns? Let us know in the comments below. In a Pakistani village, a young woman exhibited strange behavior and unnatural strength. After Quranic recitation, she was reportedly cured. What's your take on this? Share your thoughts. In 2021, a case of demonic possession occurred in the West. A woman had uncontrollable fits and spoke in foreign tongues. Exorcists were called and the situation was controlled. Some experts speculated it might be jinn encounters. Could these cases be more than just myth? Could there be a way to scientifically detect jinns? If jinns are made of plasma or energy, we could use a multi-sensor method to detect them. Here's how it could work. Hypothesize jinns as plasma or energy causing detectable disturbances. Use thermal imaging cameras, infrared sensors, EMF detectors, and ultrasound microphones. Monitor for anomalies and analyze disturbances across sensors. What do you think? Comment below with your thoughts. The world of jinns is shrouded in mystery, blending ancient beliefs with modern curiosity. Whether you see them as myth or reality, the stories of jinns continue to intrigue us. And who knows, maybe one day, with the help of science, we might just uncover the truth. If you enjoyed this exploration into the unseen, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content. Curious to uncover more about the mysteries of the unseen? Don't miss out. Subscribe now and hit the bell icon so you're the first to explore our next deep dive into insert intriguing topic. Your next mystery awaits.